Have you ever wished for just one more conversation with someone you've lost? One more chance to say the things left unsaid? It's a deeply human desire. And surprisingly, it's possible. Through the gentle journey of hypnotherapy, something remarkable happens. Your subconscious mind, unbounded by time or physical reality, can create profound moments of connection with those who've passed on. It's like opening a door to a space where past and present merge, where healing conversations can finally take place. I've witnessed this magic countless times in my practice. Clients find themselves face to face with their loved ones, experiencing their presence as vividly as if they were sitting right beside them. These aren't just memories. They're real, meaningful encounters that unfold in the safe space of a hypnotherapy session. Some share laughter over old jokes, others receive unexpected guidance, and many finally speak the words their hearts have held onto for so long. The beauty of these sessions lies in their authenticity. Your subconscious mind experiences everything in the present moment, making these connections feel incredibly real and meaningful. Under gentle guidance, you can have that conversation you've been longing for, whether it's to share your love, seek forgiveness, or simply say the goodbye you never had the chance to give. Clients often emerge from these sessions transformed. There's a lightness in their step, a peace in their hearts, and a sense of completion that they've been seeking. It's as if a weight they didn't even know they were carrying has finally been lifted. Ready to experience this healing journey for yourself? Let's create a space for that meaningful conversation your heart has been waiting for. Book your hypnotherapy session today, because it's never too late for healing, never too late for goodbye, and never too late for love. Contact me now to schedule your transformative session. Your heart's unfinished conversation awaits.